Ladies, gentlemen, oh, and Brett. Next tip of the day. Well, this week, I suppose. Your back doors are so drafty. Can you see it? I put door bottom brushes, screwed it to this side of the door. Right, so when you open the back door, you've got that little cavity. Where was my fingers? You've got that little cavity, right, and it stops all the drafts coming through that edge of that door right up to the roof. You can't stop it coming through there. I usually got a bit of carpet and velcro it on there, same as that one, right, but that stops you know, I wouldn't say 100%, but it stops 90% of the draft coming through, and it's so easy to put on. Just drill a little hole. You've got to get the deep one, because these bands this side come in different sizes, and this has got to, you've got to have the biggest band, which that is about 3/4 of an inch. And so when you, if I get out, when you look behind, the part that holds the brush is tucked up against the side of that ridge. Goes on the side of that ridge and creates a bloody good seal. I know it means drilling another hole in the van, but well, I'm pretty well secluded up there. It's not going to come across the top and down. When I get down to the door handle, it does there. It does come in through there a bit, but I ran out of the aluminium one. The aluminium one's the best, even though the aluminium transmits the cold. I used the plastic one, look, and the brushes, it just won't stay in there. I haven't glued it yet. I couldn't put it where the door handle is because you need to put your hand in, and I did it again at the bottom. So you can stretch it, and then of course it comes up to the edge of the door. That's why I say there is that draft that can come up through there. So that's your tip. Oh, Brett, turn it around, face that forwards. The air will ram underneath those solar panels and chock that thing straight off. Do it as though you can screw it up, and you can still have it open when you're driving then. Not a problem then. Not a problem.